I say this every week, but I think I've created my craziest dress ever. I used paintings of Bosch as well as a bunch of illustrations from the Middle Ages that I bought at this book in France, as well as my own drawings to paint my own fabric. Naturally, the first step to any project is drafting a pattern. I used a vintage 1950s ball gown to create my own bodice block, and then I just did a very large gathered skirt. I bought this black twill at a fabric shop in Philadelphia, and I knew that it would be the perfect material to create the base of my dress. I then used white screen printing ink. I put this in a little bottle with a 30cc needle cap. This is very helpful for creating very fine lines. I learned this idea from Katie on TikTok. I then spent about a week drawing on this dress. I started with the sleeves. I put in lots of crazy animals, lots of crazy creatures. I then worked my way across the bodice. I filled in the sleeves and bodice quite a bit, but I didn't do this for the skirt because the skirt was absolutely massive and my hand muscles were faltering at this point. I have a Ferris wheel that has ears for carriages. I have a medieval musician playing a banjo. I have monsters that are carrying away other monsters. Really, I just have to thank Bosch for creating such amazing paintings. I also made a petticoat for this dress, but that's quite boring, so we don't have to get into that. It was just made of a lot of tulle, and then I put the whole dress together. I then just did the finishing touches, the hem, the collar, the sleeves by hand because I'd already put so much time into this project. But if you want to see more, you can check out my YouTube. I have a full sewing vlog for this crazy dress.